the year is about to end, so it's the perfect time to pause, reflect, and check if we're on the right track for our 2025 goals. Pero kung ngayon pa lang, marami na kayong na-achieve, syempre gusto rin namin yan. And we celebrate you. Kaya naman, let's party dito lang sa I Want Awesome! Yan video, yan video. Yeah. Yeah.
Bakit iba yung sayaw niya?
Actually, para sa'yo, babaguhin ko yung steps na yan.
Yes! Party talaga dito. Kaya hashtag ASAP, let's party ang official hashtag natin for today as we gear up for the second half of 2025. Grabe, ang bilis ng taon, no? When did you start ASAP? IWant?
December. IWant?
No, IWant.
January.
Oh, diba? Sakto.
Wow!
January
Half of a
talaga.
year na.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Happy half anniversary.
Happy half year, guys. Konti na lang mag-high na si Mariah
Oh, pero
Carey, si Jose Marichan.
Oh.
Konti na lang.
Konti na lang. I got it.
Wala. May ano na siya, forehead na. yung
forehead
diba?
pala.
I'm gonna be sali na sa VTR.
Yeah!
Pero bago tayo officially magpasko, magpaka-merry muna tayo sa memories, achievements, at life lessons na na-experience natin sa first half ng 2025. Diba? Like 6 months din yun kung ano yung ups and downs at
Alam mo,
kabaliwan.
Tama.
Dahil sinabi mo yung bunso, may question of the day ako.
Ano yung
What is
brother?
it? What is
Okay?
it?
So what is one unforgettable moment that you have had from January to June of this year?
Oh, meet your rain. Grabe talaga.
Oh!
And becoming IWant ASAP.
Meeting AC.
Wait, by the way, congratulations sa EP mo. #1 yan sa iTunes in the Philippines.
Yes! No, last year naman. Ngayon lang kami naging friends. Kasi medyo picky sa friends.
True.
But then, the fact that we're friends. How about you?
Ako,
Friend.
ang dami kong bagong experiences this year. I was able to live sa bahay ni Kuya. It's definitely unforgettable. It's something that has helped me reflect and, you know, keep me grounded at the same time and learn once again. Yun po.
Okay. Good answer. How about you, Jeremy?
Ako the cast of the newest Kapamilya serye,
Yun.
Sins of the Father.
Yes,
Ang ganda
and
ng
again.
song na yan.
Anong song?
Sins of the Father,
We can be together.
Oh my God.
Ay.
Parang plastic na tawa yung ate ko.
Oh,
Parang
God.
nagsisi ako. Sorry na, pasensya na po ate ko.
Hindi, si
Dapat
Jeremy
kasi ano
ngayon.
Sorry na.
Sins of the Father again.
Dalawa na lang. Mamaya. Baka may maisip kayo.
Hindi, pero from the ASAP
Sama na lang
stage
kayo.
to our studio, we will be having the stars of Sins of the... Kantay mo ulit!
Sins of the Father again.
Yes, we will have the stars of Sins of the Father, Francet with Ate Shaina, Ate Jessie, and Kuya Je. Daming
marami
stars talaga
talaga.
dito ngayon.
Oo, kasi Sins of the Father,
Sins of the Father again.
But it's my time na.
Emilio, since
Since
hindi
wala kang kanta.
walang
Oo,
ambag
wala kang
kanina,
kanta.
baka naman may pasayaw ka naman dyan.
Sure.
Dancer
DJ
to eh.
Mike, hit the music, please.
Confident siya, oh.
Me vas a esperar, por todo yo me caro. Mamita, tú me encantas, solo dime qué tranza. Que yo me voy para allá, dicen ven pa' acá, y te voy para allá, bien desvelado, pero que caigo.
Nakita niyo yun sa ASAP.
Dun, nag-enjoy talaga ako dun sa sayo ko sa ASAP. Dala ko dito sa IWant
Okay,
ASAP,
pero
di ba?
ba't parang nag-iba
Ganun
yung itsura
talaga.
ni Ate Rain Parani?
Hindi ako si
Parang iba eh.
Sumama lang ako kasi may hinihila siya.
Yeah, take note kayo sa dance coach ko, yung facial expression.
Pero, guys,
Isa pa kasi nandito si Kuya Robby sa gilid, di ba? Kaya hindi ko nakita eh.
Watch.
Isa pa.
Hala, me vas a esperar, por todo yo me caro.
Dapat
Mamita, tú me
Ready?
encantas, solo dime qué tranza. Que yo me voy para allá, dicen ven pa' acá, y te voy para allá, bien desvelado, pero que caigo. Que
Kagat-labi po. Turo po ni Kuya Robby Domingo sa akin yun, ha?
Yung facial-
Sabi niya sa akin, kung hindi ka marunong sumayaw, kagat-labi na lang. Kaya ganun.
Yung
Kaya
facial
ganun yung
expressions
ginawa
niya,
ko.
parang nako-confuse siya habang sumasayaw.
Paano?
Ay, nako. Hey, Sil!
Tama yung ginagawa
Di mo kasi ako tinuturuan. Diba? Akala ko tulungan tayo dito. Diba? Akala ko tulungan tayo.
I'm so proud of you. That's your
We're
signature.
proud of you, Emilio. Pero syempre, if you
Thanks,
guys like
guys.
that dance number, we have more in store for you kasi ASAP has indeed started ngayon. Kaya simulan na rin natin ang kasiyahan dito mismo sa IWant ASAP with our first guest. Diba, guys?
Yeah.
Kaya naman, let's make way for Star Pop PH's newest artist,
Justin
McClare!
What's up? What's up, brother?
What is up, bro?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Front pitch. Para kumbaga pag nasa relax place ka, makagawa ka ng kanta eh. Ba't mo tinatawanan rin na Celmar, ha? Ano ginagawa na? Problema ako sa akin?
Buto! Pinatawanan mo yung guest natin?
Ina-imagine ko
Tumatawa.
kasi. Ganyan lagi front of the
Bungis-gis
beach.
ka sa
O, diba? Hindi kasi mas madali kasi gumawa doon kasi...
Bawal na ba mag-smile ngayon? Grabe naman, tito.
Ay,
Tito, grabe naman Tito.
Grabe. Anyway, I have a question, you know. I know you started from theater, right?
Oo.
So, tell us more about naman being a theater kid naman.
Since 4 years old ako, nagte-theater na ako kasi yung family ko, si Papa, nagte-theater siya. Kumbaga, advantage mo na rin yun, di ba? Pag nasa theater ka nung bata. Ayun, masaya naman sa theater.
Man na-discover bro ng Star Pop Philippines.
Ano yan eh, may kwento yun eh. Nasa bahay lang ako.
Ano yung kwento?
Ay,
From
from the
the
May
beginning.
kwento to, boy. May kwento ako. Tapos ito.
Sa bahay ka.
Sa bahay
sige,
ako.
tol. Sa bahay ka, tol.
Tapos, nagkakaraoke lang ako. Kumakanta ako ng Heaven Knows. Yung alam niyo, Heaven Knows. Tapos, binidyoan ako. Pinadala sa Star Music.
Ayun!
Yun, pinadala na sa Star Music. Punta ako sa office.
Wait lang.
Tapos, yun, Star Music. Tapos sabi nila,
Wow.
magsulat ako ng kanta. Tapos, ayun.
Wow.
Galing.
So,
Ganun
Heaven
lang
knows pala
kabilis.
yung ano mo.
Heaven Knows. Ayun yung lucky song ko, Heaven Knows.
Pasample nga kahit
Okay, sige.
short na short lang.
Wow!
Wala pa.
Game na?
Oh,
Okay.
Oo.
There are times when I'm lying in my bed on my pillow and cry from this to it game in my eyes. When you guess this angel has flown away from me, leaving me drunk in misery. As you
Konti na lang, full song na siya.
Alam ko, pasok na yung bridge eh.
tatapusin ko na sana kasi medyo naiyan ako.
Pero syempre bro, please.
At ano naman, I have a question. Question of the day. I've been asking kasi sa mga guests the question of the day. And yung question of the day nga namin is, what's your biggest achievement so far ngayong first half of 2025?
Oh, yes. I would definitely say, yun nga po, yung EP ko that just went out
Yeah.
on Spotify is definitely a highlight of this year so far.
Oh, yo! Welcome back to I Want ASAP! I really love the show kasi hindi tayo naubusan ng super talented guest music artists na hindi lang singers, kundi songwriters din. Just like our next performer who's Gina G to share her vulnerable side with us, singing Akong Ako. Here is Dana Pauling! Instrument, everything went along.
Wow, thank you.
I
Went
love
along where?
Went along the right lane.
Okay,
No, but I wanted
If ever you need a stunt double, Gina G si AC.
Yes.
Ako din po.
Pwede.
Hindi, dapat kakulay mo yung buhok niya.
Kulay ni
Bunso, di
I
ka
will
naman
get it
red
colored
hair
then. No problem.
Okay. Mag-a-adjust daw siya.
Kasi siya, aww. Pero online squad mates, once again, one more time for Dana Pauling! Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pero huwag
Thank you,
kayong alis, we'll be back here on I Want ASAP! God, Miss Universe Philippines
I know.
as well.
Sure,
Sure.
So how's your
And
stay so far?
I've seen reactions ng mga tao sa TikTok and everything about the song. They love the song, man.
Yes.
thank you. Yeah, I've
Sweet
seen that.
margarita. I love it,
That's
right?
it does get stuck in your head.
So seeing the reaction.
Independently. And I have a question naman.
Yeah.
What is your
Ano
goal?
question mo? Ano question
What
mo?
is your goal and projects for the second half of 2025?
2025, I'd love to record an album, but most importantly, I just want to be proud of everything that I put out there into the world.
And that youthful energy at the same time.
It's nice.
Yeah. So like chemistry good. So
Chemistry
like
good.
yeah, chemistry good. So what did you discover about them naman po?
You want to go one by one? Maybe we
Ikaw
start
yung mga
with...
stories siya.
Hindi naman. Ayoko rin mag-spoil ng mga stories. Pero, ayun, Ate Yangke is really funny. She's as good of a comedian as she is a singer.
Yeah.
And holy wow.
Holy
Wow. What the frick, dude? Like, wow. Diba? So parang,
He said, oh, di ba?
oh, diba? And si Tito Gary naman, like, super insightful. Super insightful. He could say a whole paragraph over one word and make that like deep. It's
Exactly.
fascinating. And si Mama Reg naman especially, like, aside from being really insightful as well, she's really more coming like a mom na tinuturuan yung anak niya kung the way they approach the kids. It's really fascinating to witness that. And ako naman kasi mas kuya yung approach ko sa kanila eh. Alam mo yun na parang, tal, practice ka pa. Mas ganun lang na, alam mo,
Kasi
chill lang.
diretso din, no? Diretso din.
Sugar coat mo pa yan. Para maaga matuto na sila, di ba? Alam ni Emilio yan eh, kung andito siya ngayon.
Oo.
Ayan siya.
Ang sinasabi namin eh. Pero yun, masaya. It's kind of easy but not at the same time.
Speaking of Emilio. Oh, tinawag ka, diba? Tinawag ka.
All we needed to do was get JK to call for
All
the
we
video.
needed to do is have JK.
Yeah.
announce it.
Yes. Welcome back to I Want ASAP, guys. isa siya sa mga national superheroes natin pagdating sa kantahan. And today, he will save us with his powerful voice. Back on our stage, please welcome ASAP singing champion, Jed Madela!
Oh, grabe. Kuya Jed, please invite all of our other online squadmates to watch you on TikTok naman. Lagi ka nag-live.
Yes!
Alam niyo, people are asking me, bakit kanta ka ng kanta sa TikTok? Baka hindi na naman manonood sa mga concerts mo. Hindi, ako kasi, I practice every day.
That's right.
And kesa nag-iisa ako sa kwarto na nagpa-practice, facing the wall and singing alone, I'd rather make people happy by singing to them na lang din.
Wow.
And yung mga nagbibigay, di ba, ng mga gifts,
mga gifts.
ano yun, parang niro-roll over ko, binibigay ko din sa lahat ng mga baguhang artists na nag-TikTok. And some of them kinda use it for their livelihood, di ba? So, hindi po napupunta sa akin yung lahat.
And it's also nice to see your labubus po.
Oh my.
Ayun na yung backup
Alam
pa
mo
ng
ba,
Kuya Jed, no?
original, before it even became a trend.
Si Kuya Jed yun.
Si Kuya Jed na yun.
Right?
Before the pandemic, I already had
Oo.
the Labubus. And yun, sa lahat ng mga toy collectors, abangan yun din ako sa ToyCon. Ayan.
Parang si Kuya Jed, parang life-size yung mga figures
We
nila.
have to put it on TikTok.
Actually, nakikitira na lang ako sa bahay ko ngayon. Wala
Sila
na akong
talaga
lugar.
yung
Sila
may
na yung
space.
may-ari ng
Nagbabayad din
bahay.
sila ng rent.
Oo.
Pero
Ayun.
Kuya Jed, it's always a pleasure having you here with us here on IWant ASAP.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Online comments one more time for Jed Madela! Pero huwag kayong alis. Back here on IWant ASAP! Back online, squad mates! It is one of our favorite segments dito mismo sa IWant ASAP. Ang ating IWant Squadcast. And para sa Squadcast topic nito, ito guys, let's listen. Children.
Papa.
Recently, naging debate sa online world na ang mga Pinoy daw kapag nagtatravel sa isang bansa, overdressed.
Yes, may nag-tweet nito.
May nag-tweet nito. Do you guys agree? Ang topic natin is if you agree or do you not agree? Or do you think it should be an issue or not? Rain, ikaw.
Ako naman, ito agree and disagree. Depende talaga yun sa tao. But then like, I don't think it should be an issue. I don't think it should be something big. Kasi if you want to wear what you want to wear and you're comfortable and you're confident, then do it. So
Yes.
I don't think it's an issue, you know.
Ikaw, Ace. Ano ba yung side nila? Like, bakit nagiging issue siya? Talaga?
Hindi, it's just like saying you can tell if a Filipino's visiting another country if they have a lot of layers, if they're dressed.
Okay.
Parang ganon.
Gets. Okay.
Parang ganun yung atake.
Gets.
I don't
Okay.
know where they're coming from, but at the end of the day, just wear what you want to wear.
Yeah, what you
Just spread love, guys.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
ito na lang. Ano yung mga mindset ninyo while preparing for trips? Well, like,
Ooh.
let's say if you're visiting a cold country,
Layers.
what is your mindset?
I do prepare also for trips nowadays, especially since, we're in the industry. We have a platform to share with others. And, for me, it's also like banking memories, When I look back on trips, I want it to be nice. I want to look nice. So that's why I also prepare talaga outfits per day talaga. Like
Yeah.
itinerary per day, where we going, layers, no layers.
I also have to just add, I love when Filipinos dress the way they want to dress because we also take that as inspiration for our own outfit.
Honestly.
So, tapos na yung goal eh. Ikaw, Rain.
Kasi naman, I was
Ray,
like,
ang ganda ng
Impake ka ba ng mga
outfits
gamit
mo.
mo? Or
I
may
think so.
taga-impake ka?
Oh, ako, oh my gosh, Kuya Emilio, oh my
Ano
gosh.
yung tactic mo para sa
For me naman, I have a love-hate relationship for packing.
Wow, love-hate relationship.
Kasi I like getting like, I'm imagining, okay. But then, I hate it because I cannot pack it lang. I have to wear it muna. Do you not do that?
Yes.
Ah,
You have
you
to
wear
try it
it.
on muna to see if
I
it
try it out
works.
kasi minsan it's so nice in my head when I wear it. Like,
Oo.
So I always have to wear it and sometimes I'm so sweaty and I'm like, wait lang. I'm so getting so stressed. But yeah, I always like plan my outfit and then wear it and then if G siya, I put it inside. Ganun lang.
Do you have the same mindset when you're going home to Cebu for a couple of days?
Oh, for Cebu kasi I live in Cebu. I don't really pack. I just bring
Backpack lang.
I just bring
Ah,
underwear
bag lang.
and yeah, that's it.
Okay na yun.
Well, online squadmates, you guys can also leave a comment telling us how you guys prepare for a trip or kung sa tingin nyo issue ang pag-overdress. Ako sa amin, parang wala namang issue doon. Pero sa inyo, let us know your comments. Pero guys, we will see you when we head back here sa IWant ASAP!
Ang sundalo is 4 a.m. Yun ang standard waking
There's
time.
no sun yet.
Oo,
Diba?
wala pang araw. 4 a.m.
Grabe, that's the time
So,
AC sleeps.
Anong oras kayo natutulog?
That's the time
Ano
Rain
oras
gets
kami
home.
tutulog? Mga 10 p.m. Mga ganun. 10
Okay.
p.m.
So at least nakaka 7 hours
Yes.
mo, kahit pa paano.
Standard sleeping time.
Ikaw,
Oo.
AC, nakaka 7 hours ka ba?
Of course not.
Nung nasa bahay ni Kuya, oo.
Pero
Sleeping pa yan bukas. Kaya pa yan.
yan.
No, but speaking of the series, I want to ask Kuya Jay, Ate Jessie, and Ate Shaina, how does it feel to be doing another Tatak Kapamilya na series?
Bakit ako lagi una? Almost 6 years since my last show, accepting me and for giving me this chance to show na kaya ko pa rin umarte.
And you make the most out of it. So with kayo mga bata pa kayo, so whenever like bro, may bagong series ka, di ba? So whenever you have an opportunity like that, you always give 100%.
Thanks, Bijan.
That's true. At saka hindi biro ang aming mga director dito. Kaya we really couldn't say no. Wala ko. Po?
Magkikiss na ba kayo dito?
Hindi. Yun ang kailangan abangan ng ating mga viewers at ang pamilya.
Huwag kayong maging scammer dun, ha?
Oo nga po, so we will abang this, right? It's tomorrow na. Alabas na siya.
We will. We will.
Yeah, we will abang
Bunso.
this.
We
Kasi
will abang
tomorrow na
this.
siya.
Bunso. Ayan.
Tomorrow na siya. Kaya can you tell us po tungkol saan ang Sins of the Father?
Maraming elements involved. There's love, there's scamming, there's family drama, morals, maraming, I mean, personally, marami din ako, ito, isa sa pinakamaraming aral.
Sa IWant Asa po tayo, we have a quick, fun question para sa inyo. Anong isang nagawa mong kasalanan na gusto mong i-reveal sa ating online squad mates ngayon?
Yun.
Wala. Dito ng direction ko. Dito lang.
Pero ano bro, for example lang, anong yun? Bigyan mo kami ng ibang sample.
Example.
Para may idea.
Example daw.
Yan.
Example. Natatakot ako.
Sige, isang kasalanan siguro ngayon kasi nagda-diet ako, kailangan medyo maayos yung kain ko. So, isang kasalanan ko is nag-fried chicken ako. Yun. Isang kasalanan yun.
Malaking kasalanan yan, ha?
Malaking kasalanan yun, PJ. Alam mo yun.
Kasalanan yan, ha?
Yes.
Oh, back to me. Ako. Hindi. Ako. Kasi, siyempre ako, I as much as possible, I like to follow the call time. Ako naging medyo late ng slide today.
Kasalanan.
Pero I got ready at the right time.
I think si AC
AC?
AC.
Ako?
Oh,
Siguro I committed to, I told myself I would commit to working out this year. Hindi na po ako nag-workout. Yun yung kasalanan ko. Pero sumasayaw pa rin ako. Workout din yun.
Oh, dahil dyan, bibigyan kita ng free membership sa The Daily.
Nag-work!
Thank you po.
Ikaw, kailangan mo magbayad. Bakit ka naman nandun, ha?
At saka napakagaling ng mga ginawa ng mga guests ninyo, no? Kayo ang in-interview.
Kaya, binuking mo naman. Wait lang, meron pa.
Yan, si Rain.
Rain, ang sa'yo mong sala.
Ang sala ko is nag-scream ako kahit wala na akong voice.
Malaking kasalanan yun, bunso.
Tignan niyo si Seth.
Alright,
At
guys.
isang malaking
Thank you so much for sharing your
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
At saka isang malaking kasalanan kapag hindi niyo po papanoorin ang Sins of the Father.
Yes!
Yan ang malaking kasalanan talaga. So yes, IWant, thank you for having us. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Sins of the Father.
Bukas na po yan under JRB Productions. So, ayan. Panoorin niyo po. Isang malaking salang hindi manonood.
Thank you, Asap.
Ito ba kailangan talaga sagutin?
Thank you.
Yan. Maraming salamat to the cast of Sins of the Father. Online squad mates, once again, the cast of Sins of the Father!
Thank you, IWant. Thank you, salamat. Guys, thank you.
Huwag kayo alis kasi magbabalik pa ang
IWant Awesome!
Kapag tinatawag kang OPM Hugot King.
Well, it's such a great honor to be called a king of something, di ba? It means na you're doing something right. Kaya, thank you.
Yes. I have a question po.
Yes.
Ano yung inspiration mo sa pagsusulat ng Huling Pag-ibig? What were you thinking?
Actually, this song took me 3 years to write.
3 years?
Yes.
3 years?
Because I couldn't find the right words for it and hindi ko alam kung tungkol saan siya. Because when I was writing it the first time, it was just another song for me. But then, nung na-realize ko na nahanap ko yung love na hinahanap ko, out of the fear of losing that person, dun ko siya nasulat.
Wow.
Fit na fit talagang OPM Hugot King. 3 years ba naman na pinag-iisipan ni Celmar?
Yung dedication mo for that song is 3 years. Grabe po.
Yeah. Song naman na, usually, ang normal process ko, 1 month. Pero for it to take 3 years, it must be something
Is that
special.
your longest 3 years?
Healing also took me 3 years.
Wow.
Oh.
Grabe.
So, why those 2 songs do you think it took you 3 years to make it come to life?
Actually, this one, I think it's a journey for me. It's not, hindi naman siya literal na 3 years ko siyang iniisip mayat maya. But the story it's not coming eh. Hindi siya dumarating.
So it just comes like at that time talaga.
Parang nakapark lang siya, hindi pa hinugtong song na to, hindi ko pa alam kung to saan. Sige, dyan muna siya.
But at that randomly, dumarating siya, right?
Yeah, but at the right moment, it comes eh. So that's why it took me 3 years.
Wow.
Baka lucky number mo 3.
Ha?
Baka lucky number mo 3.
Baka.
Ako na mag-decide.
Pero recently po, we heard that you were engaged. You just got engaged.
Yes,
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Baka pwede mo naman kwentuhan yung story about that proposal.
Oh, actually, 3 beses nun eh. Muntik na-cancel eh.
Si.
3 beses na naman. Angel
I
number.
knew it.
Baka
But third time, doon siya natuloy. So, ito sa kakasel. And then sabi ko, hala, para palang Luneta Park yun. So, wala ka namang luluhod ka, tapos may dumadaan sa harap mo.
Oh my God.
So, nakahanap ako ng spot.
Ang masasabi ko po, congratulations. And ang lucky number mo is 3!
Yes.
3 talaga.
Yes, 3 talaga.
Oo. Dahil
Yeah.
today din po, our hashtag here is hashtag ASAP Stronger Together. Kaya, tell us a story po when you think it was yung moment mo na stronger together.
Yes.
Well, since I recently got engaged, I think being with her made me a better person.
Wow.
Not just stronger, but a better person.
Ganun.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po ulit, Sir Mark Carpio. Balik po kayo ulit.
Yes.
Siyempre.
Yes! And mga online squad mates, wag muna kayong alis kasi magkikita-kita naman tayo dito sa Kapamilya Online Live! Mark Carpio, everybody!
On IWant Maraming salamat for joining us this Sunday afternoon. Kaya naman, let's make the second half of 2025 exciting dito sa IWant ASAP.
Yes!
Oh yes! Thank you sa lahat ng IWant guests who joined us today. Sobrang fun ang makausap at makajamming kayo sa kantahan.
Sure ka na ba?
Yes, sure na sure.
At hello din sa mga team bahay at team online na tumutok sa atin sa YouTube, Facebook, IWant TFC, A2Z Channel 11, Kapamilya Online Live, Jeepney TV, at ngayon, pati na rin sa TV5.
Yes, tuloy-tuloy lang po ang pag-post at pag-tweet using our official hashtag #ASAPLet'sParty. We love you online squad mates and magkikita-kita lang po tayo next week dito lang sa IWant ASAP!
Tapusin mo. Que yo me voy para allá,